And we are back. I've discovered some things to my car. I had to get an alignment done, and yeah, I had to do that and get another tire. So now we back changing the differential mount inserts. So we better get back to it. Okay, I don't need to tell y'all this, but I think that I do. I shouldn't have to tell you this, but I do. Properly secure your car, right? That is the jack stand and a jack. Basically what I'm gonna do is jack up one side, put the jack stand under, jack up the other side, put the jack stand under, and use a jack to hold up the differential as I change the mount inserts for it. But my whole body is gonna be underneath this car, and I don't wanna get crushed. That usually ends in death. So not saying that the jack is failure proof, but it's always good to have a second having some backup. But yeah, please use jack stands if at any time your entire body will be underneath the car. All right, now the car is fully jacked up, and I always like to do like a little shake test just to be sure. Kick it a little bit, make sure that this thing ain't going nowhere, but it's properly secure and I can do what I need to do. All right, y'all, so that's the Miltech, but one is right here and the other is right there. Got my 18 millimeter, so I'm about to put that on, but I'm about to get my jack right here just to support this, because don't want the differential to fall to be out of place. So what I'm gonna do is just put just enough tension on it just to like hold it where it is, and it should be fine. Yep, about to get that done. Screw number one, screw number two. All right, so I got this jack on the differential. I'm really not putting any tension on it. That's just to hold it in place while I go after screw number one right there. That's all that for. But yeah, car is fully secure and I'll be good. Hey, time to learn on the job, right? Don't get a deep well. It ain't gonna fit. Get your little shorty, because once you back this long screw out, you ain't gonna be able to get this off. So get your shorty, pop it, pull it back. Once you do that, you'll be able to back this out. But I wasted my money. So yeah. Don't do the deep well. Maybe that's a better angle, I don't know. But don't use the deep well at all, period. It ain't gonna work. There they go, but it's gonna go in like this. My hands are dirty. I had my gloves, but then that's gonna go inside the mouth. So we'll see how they go. All right, so these are gonna go in that spot. Screw, it's gonna go in there like that. So, whew, about to do that now. Okay, let's see. Can y'all see? All right, there it is in there. Now, one thing that I did learn is it's not hard, but not easy, right? Depending on the condition of your rubber mounts, that's a solid insert. So what I'm gonna do is use the screw to push it in. I got it in, but it's kind of hard to push all the way in. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, there's the first one in. Kind of dirty, but yeah, make sure you put some lube on it and you should be fine. First one's in. Now it's on to the second. I can get the focus. That's the second one right there. Ladies and gentlemen, this one is a pain. Like, big time pain, because you have no space. I got it off though. Well, I got it loose so I can hand do it, but man, when I say it is a pain to get this bleeping bolt off, yeah, it's a pain. So be prepared to spend like 10 minutes on the first one and about triple that on this one. All right, there's the one that was a pain in the butt, and the other one is right there. 1, 2. Yeah, very easy for this one. Now some people say take the sway bar off. I didn't do that. I had a ratcheting socket. I'm sorry, a ratcheting wrench, and it made it very easy. Get one at your parts store. Get your ratchet at 18, and it comes off very easily. Because if you try to use a deep well, or you try to use even a little shorty one, depending on the ratchet that you have, is going to back into that, and you won't be able to get it off. So get you a ratcheting wrench, and you'll be good. 18 millimeter is very easy. Get some lube on it. That way you can be able to push it in, because that's, just like rubber and stuff. So it wasn't that hard at all. We're gonna do some driving impressions later. Let's see how this feels. If I can notice any difference at all. But I took off the jack, and now I'm about to remove these two jack stands and go take it for a test drive. I'm tired. I really am. I don't feel like doing nothing else, but I gotta get the car on the ground. Yeah, I do. Man, that sun is coming through. Look at that. All right, y'all. So I'm about to do some driving impressions on it. I changed the differential mount inserts only. I'm gonna go back and get some on my face. There's a subframe mounts and all of these. So I think a lot of people, what they did was they changed everything. And of course, I'm thinking that changing everything will be a big change, right? But some people may have the budget to do things incrementally. So I wanted to just show how much difference each one did. Okay, I can feel a bit of a difference. The car jerks way less. Yeah, it is a difference. Let's see. Okay. That, I felt like a little push before. I don't feel that now. Yeah, it is. Now, here's it is. This is what it is. On the downshifts, it's more level. Like, yeah, it's a good bit difference. I can feel it. I'm about to get on the bridge, or the interstate. What I can see now, just driving on the street, it's a nice, it is a nice difference. All right. Oh yeah, it is a difference. It's a nice difference. I don't think that you would think that, let's say this shifts faster. It's not that. But when I do shift, it gives like it's level, like it doesn't jerk. It doesn't jerk at all. Like, now when I put the rear subframe mounts, I imagine it's going to be a world of difference. But right now, I can feel not a slight difference. It's a major difference. It's not like it's a little bitty difference. It is a definite. That was a red line, yeah. It is a big difference. Listen. I would say if you can't afford to get everything done at once, yeah, I'm saying if you have to do it incrementally and you can't afford to do it all at once, start with the differential. Let's say, yeah, start with the differential. This right here, man, it is a good difference. Now, I already did the transmission mount, oh Lord, like a couple years ago, and I felt the difference with it. I feel less jerkiness, if that is a way to describe it. It's not as, like, most times when you downshift, right, you go from, like, you know, fourth, third, second, you know, your car hiccup a little bit, it'll be like, now, yeah. All right, next video that I do about these 034 mount inserts will be the what is it called, the subframe mounts. So we'll see how those go. But the differential mounts, the differential mount inserts are worth the money. I say get them. Like, without a doubt, get them. It ain't snake oil. This is gonna be it doesn't feel more harsh like the NVH. I say this is a buy, like, for real. This is not sponsored at all. I went and bought this myself. But I would say if you got the money, go ahead and get this. All right, so I keep saying the same thing over and over, but this is a buy. Like, did better than what I thought, you know. It's a win. Get this thing. Thank you for checking out the video. Like, comment, subscribe, because I get to do more videos and stuff like that. I'm going to do the next video with the subframe mounts that go on the back, plus some other things that I'm doing to the car, because I intend to turn this into let's say a RS5 competition, which they should have made one in the B8.5 version. But new steering wheel, I'm getting rid of these heavy seats. I'm gonna do a rear seat delete, and do some more things. So try to drop as much weight out of this as I can. So follow the journey. I'm gonna hook up with the other guys with the RS5s. I have a hair right in my eye, and get that together. But 034 Motorsports differential mount inserts, it is a buy. I'm with it. Go ahead and get it. But see y'all in the next video. Later.